Hello everyone, welcome to Lamina Nails. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a little itsy bitsy snow globe. Going over all the products first, I'm using this Born Pretty 6-in-1 nail glue. It's a thick gel, that's the reason I'm using it. It's the thickest gel that I have. On top of that, I'm using the Modelones Glossy top coat. Only use a glossy top coat, don't use anything that has a matte finish because that'll leave a film, and don't use anything that you have to wipe because that might just create issues when making the snow globe. Then if you don't have that, maybe you're just using this to make a mini for a dollhouse or something, you can always use some UV resin. Just make sure you wipe everything off with isopropyl alcohol to make sure that you don't have any sticky layers or tacky layers to it. So I won't be using that resin because I do have gel. I have this plastic wrap or cling wrap and this bottom of a brush. So anything that's rounded like this and is the same thickness so that you can slide it off will work for this. So these are all the fillers. I'm using different nail art beads and pearls and a ton of glitter. I'm using those snowflakes for the bottom of the snow globe. I'm pretty sure everything is from SHEIN, if I'm not mistaken. So this, I pulled on the plastic wrap a little bit because it's a little on the thick side. And make sure when you're doing this, like pull it down pretty firm so there's not like, air bubbles or lumps or anything to distort the shape of the dome itself. And then create that dome by just applying that gel around the end of the brush. Anything that has this shape that you can put a plastic wrap around will work fine for this. Then cure that. I think I did 3 layers of this nail glue. And then I put on that glossy top coat just to make sure it wasn't sticky. It's always better to go higher than lower so that you have more room, more wiggle room. All right, I'm sliding that off and just pulling that out. Be a little careful if you're doing this because sometimes the gel is still a little flexible and it can easily break. So here it is. Because of the cling wrap on the inside or plastic wrap on the inside, there are lines, but you can fix this by just putting in some more of that top coat. You sort of like scrub it into those lines and they'll disappear. You won't see them at all in the finished product. And then next, after curing that for like 30 seconds, we need to fix the edge on it. So just get a file. Make sure that you file it down, make sure it's even. This is a good time to see if there's any like cracks or holes in it too. And then we're going to start filling it up. So I just fast forwarded this part so you don't, have to deal with the length of it. Just a ton of fillers. So silver beads of 3 different sizes, some pearls, and I think 2 different glitters. I do make a little bit of a mess. It goes everywhere. And I'm chasing around all the little pearls and silver beads. So you can fill this up with baby oil or any oil that's clear. You can use water. I'm using water. It's bottled water just to make sure it's, clean. And I'm just adding a drop to it. Make sure it's level. It was a little high for me here, so I did remove a few droplets. And then it'll be able to seal, so it's fine. I took one of those little snowflakes and I put some of that top coat on it and then cured it, made sure that it was like big enough to cover the bottom of that snow globe. And then I put some more, did not cure it, I just picked it up and put it with the top coat side down, meaning the uncured top coat, against the edge of that snow globe. And then I cured it. And then once it was cured, I did go around it with a little more top coat just to make sure it was actually sealed and there were no leaks. And then that got cured for 2 minutes just to make sure the whole thing was like secure. Then there obviously is an edge on it, which you can snip off some and then file off the rest to sort of smooth it out. I recommend buffing the whole thing, but basically all you do after this point is add a nice glossy top coat and it's ready for nail decoration. So that's it. I made two. I'll be using it in another video. But that's it. I do hope that was helpful. I was going to make it a part of the other video, but I thought, no, that would be too lengthy. So we're making it separate. But basically, it's just a little snow globe. You can use it for a dollhouse, or you can use it for your nails. You can use it for a lot of different things. You can make earrings out of this, or a necklace. But I do hope that you found this helpful or useful. Great for, Christmas, winter, December, or, wherever winter is in your area, northern or southern hemisphere. But thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. Please have a great day. Bye bye.